Hare Krishna. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Krishna Janmashtami. On this auspicious day, I am going to tell you how Lord Krishna appears in planet Earth, in Mathura. At the auspicious time for the appearance of the Lord, the entire universe was charged with all the qualities of goodness, beauty and peace. The sun, the moon and the other stars and planets were very peaceful. All the directions appear extremely pleasing. All the beautiful stars twinkle in the cloudless sky. It means in the environment when Lord Krishna is appearing in earth is totally changed. Anything special is happening here. Decorated with the towns, villages, mines and cultivated grounds. The earth seemed all spacious. Vast reserve. The river flow with clear water and the lakes and vast reservoirs full with lilies and lotus, where all these scenes are looking like very extraordinary situations. The trees were green, the plants is full of flowers and leaves, pleasing to the eye. Just like if something special is happening in our life, every moment is special. So it's bring a very different joy and happiness toward our mind. Where Brahmanas engaging the arrangements of Vedic rituals in ritualistic ceremonies, ignited their fires according to Vedic principles. The fires of their Havanas did not get disturbed by the breeze, means the flow of air. The fires is stable and steady. Thus, when the birthless Lord Vishnu, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, was about to appear, the Sant and Brahmanas, who were always being disturbed by the demons of Kans and his men, felt peace in the course of their hearts. Think about this. The Brahmanas and Sants were totally get peace with their deep heart. Just hearing and getting the information that Lord Krishna is appearing on earth. They get fully satisfied even by knowing that he is coming. On the times when Brahmanas engaging the rituals, ceremonies, igniting the fires, the upper portions of air, you can tell it as the upper systems of atmospheres is playing the noise, means you can tell they are playing in joy the sounds of kettle drums. The Gandharvas and Kinnaras playing a very beautiful songs, and by hearing that beautiful songs, the Vidyadharis and Apsaras began to dance in the happiness of jubilations of Lord Krishna. Beside from this, in the jail of Mathuras, when Lord Krishna appeared from the hearts of Devaki, then in front of him, Vasudeva offered a prayer that there is no external or internal for you. You never enter the womb of Devaki, rather than you already existed. O my Lord, proprietors of all creations, you have now appeared in my house. You can also say it as jails, prisons. You now appeared in my prisons in desiring to protect the world. I am sure that you will kill all the armies that are moving all over the world under the leadership of bad politicians who were wearing the dress as Kshatriyas and doing the work of demons, factually demons. They must be killed by you and the protections of the innocent public. When Lord Vishnu comes after Vasudev, Mata Devki started praying to Lord Vishnu that, my dear Lord, there are only Vedas, some of which describe you as unperceivables through word and the mind. Yet you are the origins of entire worlds. You are the manifestations of all the living entity. You are Brahma and the greatest of all living things, full of influence like the suns. You have no material cause. You are free from change and deviations. You have no material desire. After hearing those prayers, Lord Vishnu replied that it is not a very simple responsibilities that you got, because you are very pure and not everyone get the chance to become fathers and mothers of me. In Satyug, I please by you and offer you 3 wishes. And you and Devki tell me that you want a son like me. So I get totally confused that no one is over the world and anywhere in the universe is like me. I think about this, and due to your purity, I get satisfied and give you wish that I will become a son of you 3 times. So in past times, Prishni, you as Prishni and Mata Devki as Sutapa become my fathers and mother, and I will appears in form of Krishna Garbha. In Vaman Avatar, you and Mata Devki is a form of Kashyap and Aditi, and then now you as Vasudev and my mother is Devki. So you get those responsibilities just because you are so pleasing. But had you ever think that why they got such an opportunity to become the fathers and mothers of Lord Vishnu? Just because of their purity, their high level of devotees to and love and affections and attractions toward Lord Krishna make him give them their position. So after that, when Lord Vishnu replied to Vasudev and Devki, Vasudev told Lord Vishnu that please don't come with this avatar, because this is, if someone see then they scared. So please change it in your baby form. So on that times, Chaturbhuja Lord Vishnu with his 4 weapons, which is Shankh, Chakra, Gada and Padma, converted himself, and on that times Krishnas appeared from the heart of Mother Devki. When Vasudev saw that the beauty of Lord Krishna is the eye, lotus like flower, and in his chest Strivatsa Chinna, and wearing the costume money, is so beautiful. His hair is curly and blackish, like at night the cloud looks like curls. And after that, Lord Krishna's order Yogmaya to fell sleeps all the guards in prisons. In between this, while Lord Vishnu's come to give darshans to Vasudev and Devki, just example as when if you put when there is any programs held and you call chief guest, so before chief guest, the chief guest is so VIP, so before chief guest the men of that chief guest come to serve to check that everything is fine or okay or not. And here the Lord Krishna is appearing, the Lord of all universe. So therefore Lord Vishnu's come just to check that everything is fine or not. Hare Krishna. If you want me to tell and if you want me to tell more about these sessions, then please comment, and if I get a good response, then I will sure upload more videos related to it. Hare Krishna.